So I just received the M1 MacBook Pro and I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of videos on this, but I thought we'll start off with a simple unboxing, obviously, but I'm going to be doing things like obviously benchmarking, real world tests, so things like in Chrome, Zoom, video editing, encoding, all of that good stuff. We're going to be testing the hell out of this laptop. And we're also be doing a whole bunch of comparisons. So I've also got the MacBook Air as well. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on that one. We're going to be comparing the two models as well. And then we're going to be comparing it against the MacBook Air Intel version as well, which I have. And we're going to be comparing this to the 2020 Intel MacBook Pro, the high-end model, as I think it's going to really give, well, this M1 is really going to give a run for its money. So I'm really excited. Let's just jump into the unboxing. So as you can see, there's not too much different with this MacBook. Really, the only thing that's different is going to be that M1 chip. So they've got a few other bits as well, like a better video camera and everything like that. Not in terms of resolution, it's just got better image processing. So obviously I'll be doing a test on that. Make sure that you hit subscribe if you want to watch all my comparisons, all my testing and stuff like that. I'm really going to put it through its paces. I'm also going to be doing also a power management test as well. So what I mean by that is I want to see what kind of watts we're getting out of this CPU when under load and under normal tasks. I'm really comparing it against the Intel MacBooks because this apparently has 20 hours or up to 20 hours of battery life, which is, yeah, kind of nuts. Could be almost the perfect laptop if it has the power behind it. Anyway, this is just a quick video on this. I'll be doing impressions. I'll be doing all the tests. I've got a lot of work to do, so I'm going to be having a lot of sleepless nights because of these things. But like I said, I got the M1 MacBook Air and the M1 MacBook Pro. So like I said, this one is the M1, 8GB, 256. So just the base model, as I think that's what most of you are probably going to be looking at. And we're really going to be testing the RAM management of it because I want to see how 8GB handles everything that I throw at it. Leave a comment down below on what you want to see on the M1 MacBooks and I'll try and do my best to include them. If you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram at TechCarMoon. Hit that like button if you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more content on the M1 MacBooks, and hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when I drop those videos. And if you want to watch more videos from me, you know what to do. Click on one of these two videos. They're both fantastic. Go ahead and watch it right now. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.